Hey Siri, how not to miss any future iCamera videos?
Just go ahead and click on the bell button to be notified. Enjoy.
What's up, fam? I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you are new to the channel, my name is Cameron and I made this video you are watching. Smash that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to stay up to date on the latest and greatest tech related content. So today, why I bring you guys this video is because I know a ton of you guys use Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and I wanted to share with you guys this web browser that I found that is super private and super secure. And I think everyone should use this. You can get this on the iPhone, iPad, Mac, any Windows computer. It is called Brave web browser. So all you got to do is go to your normal web browser and type in Brave browser and Google. All right, and now you'll see a couple things. It says a free open source web browser. It's developed by Brave Software, and it's based on the Chromium web browser. But basically, this Brave web browser blocks ads and website trackers. Basically, your data is always getting sold by companies like Google. You know, Google Chrome will sell your data to other, Lord knows who they'll sell it to, but they sell it to people who then track you and then like personalize ads that will make you want to buy something and whatnot. So this is like a perfect way to just be private browsing without using like Tor or like the deep dark web. So all you have to do is go to brave.com and then hit the download Brave button. All right, now open up that DMG file. Now you can drag it to your applications. Once it is dragged, you can close that Brave browser.dmg file. All right, now open up applications and you should see Brave browser. Hit open. Now we'll ask you if you want notifications. This is your choice. If you want, hit allow. If you don't want, hit don't allow. All right, now the Brave browser, the good thing about it is, like I said, it's private, but another good thing is that it's super fast and super quick. You can skip this welcome tour if you want, but if you are new to this kind of thing, you can go ahead and just go through it. This is how you import your bookmarks and settings, which I'm going to import mine from Chrome. All right, so now all my bookmarks are imported. Now I can hit next. Now it says set default search engine. You could use DuckDuckGo because it is a private search engine, you know, instead of Google, but everyone does use Google, so you can go ahead and use that. And now these Brave rewards are pretty cool. So they basically pay you for searching. So they say your attention is very valuable. You can turn on some ads, like you can personalize which ads you want to see, or you can just turn off all ads in general. But if you do turn on some ads, then you'll start gaining rewards for it. So you can enable those if you want. I'm just gonna hit done. All right, and there you go. It says ads and trackers blocked. HTTPS is upgraded. Estimated time saved. That is the most important part because, you know, during a web browser, you want to find stuff quickly and easily. So this is going to help you do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below telling me what you did enjoy. If you are already using Brave browser, I would love to find out. I'll see you next time. Later, fam.